How to add a Duolingo widget on Android. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to add a Duolingo widget on Android. Adding the Duolingo widget is a great way to keep your language learning journey front and center. With a tap, you can jump right into your practice session, all without hunting down the app. So to add a Duolingo widget on Android, first, grab your phone and head over to your home screen. Find an empty space and hold your finger down until a menu pops up. On some devices, you might need to swipe up instead. Now look for the Widgets option, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that, and you'll be presented with a list of all the widgets your apps offer. Scroll through the list and find the Duolingo widget. You might see a few different styles available, each showing slightly different information. Pick the one that suits your needs. Maybe it's the one displaying your current XP or your awesome learning streak. Once you choose one, tap on the widget and hold it down. Now drag it to an empty spot on your home screen and release. Now your Duolingo widget is ready to serve. And this is how to add a Duolingo widget on Android. With the Duolingo widget on your home screen, you'll have a constant reminder to keep up with your language practice. Remember, consistency is key, and this little buddy can help you stay on track. If you have any questions about Duolingo widget, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.